And away they go to a perfect start. Inside 2 gates, Macro Access and 2 Windy to Hall Rocks are quick early, but on the outside, Midnight Storm now runs up to get a narrow advantage. Ballabali Red Cap settles in right behind them, pace fast early. On the outside is Alert Bay. Then we come back to Big Bane Theory, Avanzari in the white. Seek Again, content to go back second last, 8 lengths off the leaders, and Abbey Vale as the trailer. Into the turn they go, and Macro Access ensured a good early pace, goes clear now to lead by 2 to Midnight Storm. In the third spot, Alert Bay. Ballabali has the perfect spot, scraping paint in fourth, 4 lengths off the leader. Big Bane Theory moves up a little closer. On the inside, 2 Windy to Hall Rocks. Avanzari is second last, gives them a good 9-length start. Seek Again, been patiently ridden from second last, and Abbey Vale continues to trail. They head to the half-mile pole, and Macro Access goes on, leads by almost 3. In second is Midnight Storm. In behind that, Alert Bay. Ballabali still tucked in at the rail. Behind them comes Big Bane Theory, Avanzari, 2 Windy to Hall Rocks. Abbey Vale tries to pick it up from behind. Seek Again is still last, but got a lot of run now. Seek Again going to need somewhere to go, though, in behind a wall of horses. They come into the top of the lane now. Macro Access taken on by Midnight Storm, and Midnight Storm gets the lead. Ballabali now hooked to the outside in the red cap. On the extreme outside, Abbey Vale is finishing strongly as well. Homeward bound, and Midnight Storm dashes clear. Midnight Storm opening up, and Midnight Storm in full flight for the wire. Midnight Storm and Victor Espinosa very impressive in the Seabiscuit. Ballabali had to settle for second. 2 Windy to Hall Rocks and Seek Again, who got going a little late. They were in that photo for third.